This is chapter 1.2, question 19 to 25 on page 21. For question 19, we're asked to simplify the expression, and the question is given here: x squared minus 1 in brackets times 2x in brackets minus x to the power of 2 times 2x. Our first step will be to multiply these brackets by the 2x. So it would look like 2x to the power of 3 minus 2x minus 2x to the power of 3 from the multiplication of 2x times negative x to the power of 2. Right away we see that 2x to the power of 3 is minus by 2x to the power of 3, so they cancel each other out, which leave us with our answer of negative 2x. Our next question, number 21, also asks us to simplify the expression, and the expression given is 2 multiplied by t plus the square root of t in brackets all to the power of 2 minus 2t to the power of 2. So first things first, we want to square the brackets, which will look like this. 2 multiplied by bracket t squared plus 2 square root of t plus t. Now this t is just a t because when you multiply the square root of t times the square root of t, the square root and the square cancel out. So it leaves us with just the t. And that's all minus, and that's all subtracted by 2t squared. We then multiply the 2 into the brackets, which would give us 2t squared plus 4t plus 2t minus 2t squared. We then see that the 2t squared can be cancelled out by the negative 2t squared, which leaves us with 4 square root t plus 2t. We see here that we can take out a 2t, which leaves us with our answer of 2 times the square root of t plus 1. And that's our final answer. For our next two questions, we're asked to factor out the greatest common factor. And in the first one, it's 4x to the power of 5 minus 12x to the power of 4 minus 6x to the power of 3. Right away we can see that we can take out a 2 and an x to the power of 3. So we do that, and that leaves us with 2x squared minus 6x minus 3. And that is our final answer. The next question, 25. We have 7a to the power of 4 minus 42 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 2 plus 49 a to the power of 3 b. Right away again we can see that we can take out a 7 because 7, 42 and 49 are all divisible by 7. We then look at the a's and the b's, and we see that we can take out an a squared. This would leave us with a squared minus 6b squared plus 7ab. We can also rewrite this so it would look like 7a squared plus 7ab minus 6b squared. And that's our final answer.